Hi, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box of our smartphone and now let's check what is here inside. So the first thing, this is the charger brick, the original one with all of the specs here. Okay, let's check another accessory. This is the USB Type-C cable, and also we can find here the 3.5mm headphones adapter to the headphones. Also let's check this paper box. So this is the empty place. Here in this paper box we can find also the SIM jack tool, some paperwork like the quick start guide and the warranty card, and also we can find here the silicone protective case. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.